So let's talk about the absolute double standard that's happening right now. Less than 60 white Africans flee a government that was actively encouraging violence against them. Not poverty, not employment, actual targeted hate. If they stayed, they wouldn't have survived. That is the point that people seem to miss. They come to the US through the proper legal channels and are granted asylum, which, by the way, is exactly how the system is supposed to work in these extreme cases. Suddenly, people are outraged, calling it unfair. Flip the races. If Biden had opened the doors to millions of white Europeans, legally or illegally, the media would be calling it racist, colonization, or white replacement theory. But because most of the people flooding in illegally now are from non-white countries, they're supposed to call that compassion? If Trump had only allowed fewer than 60 people of color legally to escape a brutal, tyrannical government, the same people screaming now would be demanding that they let in thousands more. This isn't about legality. Conservatives, myself included, have always said, if you come here legally, welcome. If you don't, go back and do it the right way. But we can't ignore the fact that race is clearly influencing public reaction. Because when 60 white people come here legally, fleeing death, it's national outrage. But when millions cross illegally from not white countries, the outrage is suddenly called racism. The truth is, the system does allow asylum for those fleeing real persecution. That's what it was built for. These people follow the rules. If race is the only thing people are upset about, then maybe they're not as anti-racist as they claim to be. If you're one of the people who aren't struggling to understand this and aren't upset that they've let people claim asylum, like, let me know in the comments. It would be really, really reassuring to know that it's not just me who seems to get this without the outrage. Let me know.